Greetings everyone. A very warm welcome from the Chandigarh College of Architecture, Chandigarh, India. This institution was established at the behest of Le Corbusier, the greatest architect of the modern movement, and we celebrate the legacy of Corbusier in this city and through imparting architectural education at the institution CCA. We run an undergraduate and a postgraduate program, and we engage in a lot of cultural and social discourse with our students so that the education of architecture is wholesome, complete and unique. The CCA has a unique legacy in the manner that a lot of architectural students and scholars engaged in studies for Le Corbusier visit this city throughout the year and especially between the months November to February. During this time, we are equally eager to welcome the scholars and the tourists, and our students particularly are engaged during this time to take them around the city as well as to the World Heritage Site, the Capitol Complex at Sector 1 Chandigarh. Based on the anatomy of the human body, the city is divided into 4 parts: living, working, circulation, care of body and spirit. And the engagement of the scholars on Corbusier and on the modern movement takes them through the various parts of the city. And the students are particularly involved in this exercise. Several of them have earned accolades and also part and parcel of visiting tours, and they have engaged with other schools of architecture internationally as well as nationally to carry out this legacy that we are so proud of. The magnanimous contribution of Drona cannot go unnoticed in the LVT program. The World in Florence and Florence in the World, an idea to engage students not only in the aspects of architecture, but how also architecture and tourism can be interrelated to bring out cultural nuances, tourism, as well as the arts and crafts in the city. This opportunity helped our students realize their potential and how they could have been engaged in the city beyond just architecture. This has been a very fulfilling experience, and I really welcome the whole idea of the World in Florence and the Florence in the World as an exhibition to showcase the tourism component and the cultural enterprise of Chandigarh in a world-class city that is Florence, which has got the highest tourist footfall throughout the world, and the students are also looking forward to perhaps be a part of this physically at Florence. The Chandigarh College of Architecture has been engaged in several international programs, and we look forward to the LVT as another emerging platform where our students could participate wholeheartedly in the creation of an enterprise which goes beyond architecture to encompass other attributes of life as well. I wish the event a great success, and once again thank all the organizers for their great participation as well as welcoming attitude to our students. Thank you.